And we're here with the HTC Evo Design 4G, a 4G WiMAX device from Sprint that first went on sale at the end of October for $100 on a 2-year contract. Being a $100 mid-range device means it isn't dual-core, also means it isn't the thinnest device as you can see, but some of that thickness at least is mitigated by this nice tapered edge that HTC has designed into the product. But anyway, let's move on to the display. It's got a 4-inch QHD 960 by 540 display, which as you can see has got pretty good viewing angles. The black levels aren't as good as something you'll find on AMOLED, but certainly as good as you'll find on any sort of LCD display. It's also running Android 2.3.4, so Gingerbread with Sense 3.0, so not Sense 3.5 as on some other newer HTC phones, but also probably not a big deal breaker for most of you. Up top there is a status LED flashing through this earpiece, a 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera, and on the bottom, of course, the 4 Android capacitive buttons. Along the left side, we've got a volume rocker, micro USB, up top, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a lock button. And on the right side, actually, curiously, no buttons at all, so there's no sort of dedicated shutter button on this device like other HTC devices, but again, probably not a deal breaker for most of you. And finally, on the bottom, we've also got a microphone port. Before I get to the back, I want to highlight that this is a unibody device. It's basically this one same piece of black brushed metal that surrounds the display and goes all the way to the back and continues all the way back to the other side. So it makes the device feel pretty sturdy in the hand. You can hear it flexing right now as I torque it a little bit, but when you hold it in the hand, it definitely feels really like a really solid, nice premium device, despite the $100 price point. On the back here, you've also got these two swaths of soft touch rubber, which also feel really nice in the hand, and it's a nice touch from HTC. But anyway, continuing on, we've got a 5 megapixel camera back here with LED flash, a speaker port, and these two little holes that aren't actually microphones, but I'll get to in a second. Actually, I'll just get to them right now. Surprising for a unibody device, this is a removable piece back here, so if I basically pop this off, you can see I can get to the battery. And back here you'll see on the back of this piece there's little contacts for an antenna that is embedded into this piece. But anyway, back here we've got a removable battery which can be removed by flipping open this door and removing the battery as so. We've also got a GSM or SIM card, so if this phone is taken abroad it can roam on GSM networks, and we also have a micro SD card which is 8 gigabytes included in the box. Anyway, that's been a quick look at the HTC Evo Design 4G, and we hope you enjoy the review. So thanks for watching. Thanks.